Hey everyone, I'm going to show y'all how to do your own DIY headband wig. I know that they're pretty pricey even on Amazon, so I decided to try this little hack and it totally works, and I wore this wig all day. Stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how I'm going to put this wig on. I'm going to be wearing the Billie wig again. I really like this one, but this is in the color pink. So I'm not even gonna wear a wig cap today. My hair, I haven't washed it in like 4 days. I'm trying to get it healthy. So I'm letting my natural oils get it healthy. So my hair is really greasy. So I'm just brushing it back. I'm gonna use some clear elastics to put it into pigtails, just because it is easier to manage when it's in pigtails.
So brush it back, clear elastic.
And I'm not gonna wear a wig cap because they don't stay on my head. They just roll off. I've got like a flat head or something. And this wig, I don't need a wig cap for. Okay. All right. Now we're in the pigtails. I'm gonna take a couple bobby pins and just secure it to the back of my head. Now my hair is really short. Here comes the drone. You okay? Okay, hair is secured. Take some hairspray and just gonna spray right here so it lays flat. So not only do I want to wear a wig today, I want to wear a headband with it. So I want to kind of make it more of like a headband wig. So when I put the wig on, I'm gonna scoot it back. Make sure that the clips are in my hair, and then I'm gonna use bobby pins to secure it. Okay, so this is Pink Billie. I'm gonna line up the part with my part as best I can. Okay, let's see, there's my part, there's Billie's part. Okay, step 1 is down. This is what the wig looks like when it's just on my head. I haven't scooted it back or done anything to it. Make sure it's secured in the back. All right, this is just what it looks like before my headband. It's cute, but I think we can make it better today. So I'm gonna scoot it back. I'm gonna put it about right there. Move her back. Okay, about right there. Now take whatever headband of your choice. I really like this one with the pops of gold in it, so I'm gonna use that. This is the hard part. Putting this over. Should have put this on first. Whew. Without ruining your makeup and the wig. Okay. Now, I'm gonna secure our little wig with bobby pins. Just right here. It's not a good idea. Do it down here. Okay, there's one. There's 2. And I think I'm gonna darken up my roots just a little bit with some eyeshadow. Okay, now we are going to move the headband. I'll be darned, I'm gonna ruin this wig. Move it up and put it right on that seam, just like this. Make sure we're still aligned. Make sure the bottom part of the headband is not pushing the wig up, because you don't want it to make your wig pop off. Okay. I feel like this earring is just too short. There we go. All right. And so this is how I'm gonna wear it today. It looks very 80s. I really like it though, with the pink. So you can kind of see how the back is. Tried to make it as seamless as possible. This is not a headband wig, this is just a regular wig. But headband wigs for some reason are so expensive, and you can't find good curly ones. And I already know that this brand, Outre, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, O-U-T-R-E, this brand is really good, and I like their curls. You know, they're kind of almost waves, and you can fluff it up and make it bigger if you want, but I like the more defined curl. I've always wanted curly hair. But anyways, that's this look. I hope this has helped you. I think I'm gonna do this for summer. You know, the headbands are really cute. I got a bunch of these, so I might as well use them. I won't have to wash my hair as often. Probably gonna end up losing a lot of my hair with postpartum hair loss like I did with my daughter. That kicks in around 2 months postpartum, so looking forward to that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.